Hello everyone, welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So in today's video, we are going to be decorating for Christmas. We're also going to be taking down all of the fall decorations, and I'm going to be cleaning the areas that I'm going to decorate for Christmas. I'm going to be dusting them off first before we start decorating. So we're going to be undecorating, cleaning, and decorating for Christmas. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Hopefully next week I will be uploading my Christmas house tour, and in that video I will give you more details about where everything is from. But in this video we are just going to be decorating for Christmas. So let's turn on some Christmas music and start decorating.
To
you guys enjoyed this Christmas decorate with me. Stay tuned for my Christmas house tour that will hopefully be out next week for you guys. So before I end this video, I just wanted to say thank you so much for 20,000 subscribers. I feel so blessed and grateful to now have over 20,000 subscribers. It means so much to me. So thank you. And as a little way to say thank you, I am going to be doing a little giveaway for you guys. So I'm going to be giving away one of these Grove Collaborative tin cleaning caddies full of goodies to one of you guys. I've got all kinds of goodies stuffed inside this cleaning caddy. I'm going to quickly show you what is in here. First off, we have these cellulose sponge cloths, and then next I got you one of these heirloom red Grove Collaborative hand dish towels. These are the best. There is some walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges from Grove Collaborative in there. There's also some Miss Meyer's hand soap in the scent pumpkin. There is also some mint Castile soap, and this is all brand new for you guys. I also have some cinnamon essential oil in there from Simply Earth. This is the best to diffuse over the Christmas time. That cinnamon scent is amazing. And then lastly, stuck in this cleaning caddy is a $20 Target gift card. So if you want to win this cleaning caddy full of all of these fun goodies, including the Target gift card, first you have to be sure that you are subscribed to my channel. This giveaway is only for my subscribers. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure that you click that red subscribe button and the bell beside of it to turn on post notifications. After you're subscribed, you will comment down below. Your comment will be your entry in the giveaway. Just let me know in the comment that you want to be entered in the giveaway, and I will have all of the details and the dates typed up down in the description box of this video and also down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!